Want to shift so smooth that your passengers don't even realize that you changed gears? Here's the secret. It's all in the accelerator. Guys, when you know this technique, it will change your driving style forever. Sounds strange? Let me prove it to you. Alright, lesson 1. The clutch only shift. Most people think if they're very smooth with your clutch and their shifting inputs, that the shift itself is super smooth. Problem here is though, the RPMs drops way too low and the clutch has much more work to do, which I guess I just show it to you. Okay, starting in third, shifting into fourth. Now I get off the gas and then press the clutch. Look how the RPMs drop. Only the clutch is doing the work and this is totally noticeable. Lesson 2. Let's add some gas to this. What most drivers then do, knowing that they want to be smoother with the shifting, is they add a bit of gas. Let's see how that goes. Most common mistake is that people add a bit too much gas when they try this. Look how the RPM surges now. Letting go of the clutch will not result in a smooth shift. Lesson 3. Babying the gas. So let's just do the opposite and easing it in gently with the gas pedal instead of giving it too much gas. Here's what it looks like. Here we are almost at the point that it's extremely smooth. When pressing in the clutch, I'm not letting go of the gas immediately. And when I let go of the clutch, I press already the gas, but just not enough. Lesson 4. The secret. Guys, to be honest, this takes practice. You won't nail it on the first try. And also, you need to know your car and how it responds to gas pedal inputs. But here's the breakthrough. It's not clutch first and gas pedal second. It's one smooth motion, they move together. When you press in the clutch, you get off the gas. You're rolling it off. If you want to get off the clutch, you kind of press also the gas already and get off the clutch. It's like a seesaw, basically. Let's watch closely. Look how I'm adding the gas and not letting go of it completely, just for a bit, just a little millisecond basically. This helps the clutch and makes the shift seamless. It just goes through. Pay special attention to the RPMs, how they are just perfect. And here's the best part. If you know how to do this, you will also figure out how to do it on a downshift. Yes, you have to press a bit more gas to help the clutch because in a lower gear the RPMs will be higher, but if you figure this out, it's super seamless as well. It is basically ref matching, but also not really, because if you're actually ref matching, you need to know the exact RPMs in the next gear for it to be super smooth and seamless. In this case, the clutch is still doing the work, but you're taking off so much work and help it so much that it's seamless and smooth. Well guys, in the next video I will show you actual rev matching, and then you can maybe see the difference, I guess. Thank you for watching and bye bye.